The next we discussing the topic is electric potential at a point due to electric dipole. What we can find as the electric dipole. The previous class we discussing about an electric potential due to a point charge. So what is the formula for that one? V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. See, that is the principle. The base on we can discussing about in a electric dipole. Di means two charges. One is negative charge, another one is positive charge. So this is considered the negative charge is placed at the A point and a positive charge is placed at the B point. Now here these two charges are the separated by distance we consider here 2L. How much of the distance is considered by the 2L. Now its center point is O. Is the distance of A to O is L and O to B also L. L plus L 2L. Now we consider the point at any point. See, this is taken the point is the P. What is considered this one? P point. Now is the distance small r from the center of dipole to P point. Now we can find out here the electric potential due to negative charge and due to what? Positive charge. See, electric potential due to negative charge. See, what is the formula? This is the potential we consider the V1 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Q by here is the negative charge is the negative charge by distance. Distance is nothing but to A to P. What is the distance is considered? A to P. Now this A to P of the distance we are considering by in R1 and P to B we are considering the distance is an R2. How much is considered? R2. Then we can write here that is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus Q by R1. Similarly, we can write electric potential due to positive charge. Now, this is the charge, here is the point. Now, again we apply the electric potential. We consider the V2 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by the distance. How much is there here? The R2. Therefore, resultant electric potential. Resultant electric potential at P point. Now, where we can find out the other electric potential? We can find at the P point. See, electric potential. What is the formula for the electric potential? Resultant V is equal to V1 plus V2. Then electric potential of V1. How much is there? The formula is there. We can substitute the V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus Q by R1 plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R2. Now here, this is the minus value, this is the plus value. Now the plus value can write the first term and negative term write the after that. Take the common also. What is the Q by 4 pi epsilon naught will take the common. 1 by R2 minus 1 by R1 is equal to resultant electric potential. This is considered the equation number 1. Now here R1, R2 is the distance of the negative charge to P point and positive charge to P point. Then we can find out here the R1 and R2 value, the using of here the diagram. Now the first we can find out here the diagram. See here. Now we can find out here the R1 and R2, the using of here the triangle. See how to we can triangle means here the perpendicularly we can draw, this is the line. We can start off here. This is the perpendicular to both of them. This point we consider the M. What is the point is there? The M. Now here the making of angle theta. What is the angle of the theta? See from triangle here perpendicular perpendicular drawn to a line. To a line. See what is the line is there here? The BM. BM is the from triangle. From triangle. What is second by the OBM? OBM. See OBM apply. Here see observing further. This is the triangle. Now where is the perpendicular there? This is the perpendicular. Here the angle. Now where the angle? That point is the O. Draw the perpendicular to line the BM from triangle OBM. See the perpendicular. Where is the point is there? Here the M. And now here the another point is there B. Apply the cos theta. What is the principle for the cos theta? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. See this is the adjacent side is the OM and hypotenuse is the OB. Then we can write here the cos theta is equal OM. See the O to M. Here any distance is there? No. Then we can write the OM. Next O to B. O to B distance how much is there? L. Then cross point multiplication. The OM is equal to L into cos theta. L into cos theta. Now here O to M. How much is there here? The L cos theta. L cos theta. Then we can find out what we can find out here the R2. R2 is nothing but here the total distance. Now the total here the M to P are equal to the B to P. The both are will be same. So what is there? The M to P is equal nothing but to B to P. See here R2 is equal to here R2 is equal to, see this is the R2 is equal to, now R2 is nothing but is equal to the B2P, that will be equal to the M2P. The total distance how much is there here? The O2P minus of OMP. See what is there? The O2P is negligible of OM. So we can write here the OM. See O2P how much of distance is there? R minus how much is the OM is the L cos theta. This is the distance of R2 and consider this as equation number 2. And the similarly therefore another line the perpendicular draw to a line. See this is the extending. Now we can extending here. This can be also extending. Now here the coincident is the perpendicular to each other. This is the point we consider N. What is considered this N? N. The perpendicular draw to the AN. Here we can draw here the B to M is the perpendicular to line. Here the perpendicular draw to the line is the AM. Now here the making of angle is there theta. What is the angle there here? The theta is angle from triangle. What is taken by triangle? OAN. Apply the cos theta. See the cos theta is equal. This will be take the triangle. Here the theta. The theta which point is there here the A point. And where the perpendicular that point is considered the N. Another one is the O. The cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. AN by OA. Then OA AN is equal to OA into cos theta. OA into cos theta. O to A how much of the distance is there here? The L. This AN is equal to L into cos theta. Then here the A to N is equal to how much is there here? The L cos theta. So this is the distance. L cos is the distance of A to N. Therefore, what we can find out here the R1. Therefore, R1 is equal to the total distance P to N. The total distance is nothing but to P to O plus O to N. P to O plus O to N is equal to P to O. P to O how much is there here? The R plus here the L cos theta. This is the R1 is equal to, now this is considered the equation number 3.